Hello friends, now we see the problem number 9, which is also based on factorization method of chapter limit. The problem number 9 is a limit extends to 3 x square minus 9 in next bracket 1 upon x plus 3 plus 1 upon x minus 3 and finally the square bracket complete. Now let's see the solution. The solution is quite simple. First of all, we denote given problem as a L. So L is equal to limit extends to 3 x square minus 9 in next bracket 1 upon x plus 3 plus 1 upon x minus 3, that equal to limit extends to 3. Now x square minus 9 can be factorized as by using formula a square minus b square, which gives us a minus b, a plus b, and therefore x square minus 9 can be written as x plus 3 into x minus 3. Now inside the square bracket, if you observe the term that x plus 3 and x minus 3 which are present in the denominator are totally different, and therefore we go for cross multiply inside the square bracket. So on cross multiplying we get 1 into x minus 3, that is x minus 3, plus 1 into x plus 3, again we get x plus 3, and then totally divide by x plus 3 into x minus 3. So that equal to limit extends to 3. Now here we cancel x plus 3, x minus 3. These are two terms from numerator and denominator, with stating reason that since x tends to 3, therefore x not equal to 3, and therefore x minus 3 not equal to 0. It means here we cancel the term x minus 3 from numerator and denominator. Therefore the next step will be limit extends to 3. We have the term that x minus 3 plus x plus 3. So that equal to, now here we plus 3 minus 3 cancel. So on cancellation that we must have limit extends to 3 to x. And then we substitute the limit as x equal to 3. So we have 2 into 3 and that equal to 6. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.